having a date with my wife. Gentlemen, date your wife. I've been married to her 22 years. She's a wonderful wife. I love her. And what we created, starting from our shopping dish trip yesterday, was the pasta seafood or the fettuccine Alfredo, which has king crab, as you can see, portobello mushrooms, wonderful live clams, baby clams, crawfish, and scallops. Bon appetit, Mrs. Lacey.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Love you guys, and that's the dish. And later on, I'll tell you how to put it all together. Have a great holiday, and God bless you all. This is the Devotional Chef saying, bye-bye. Showing you what's in the pot. We're still filming, and that's our beautiful Alfredo. Incidentally, you should cook your pasta what they call al dente, meaning to the tooth. Don't overcook it. Just have a little bit of bite in it, and about 3 to 4 minutes, and you should have a fabulous dish. Remember, work not harder, but cook smarter. God bless you all. Devotional Chef signing out. Once more, God bless you. Bye-bye.